Hetman White Primary. I hope everyone's doing well. I've just popped on just to show you how to make some origami. So we're going to try and make a butterfly today. And all you're going to need is some paper that's almost or perfectly squared. Now I've chopped up a big sheet of paper that I had, and I've got it 10.5 centimetres by 10.5. So all you guys who know how to use a ruler and a pencil and some scissors, you can try and measure those out and get them perfect. Or you could even do a bigger butterfly or a smaller one. It's up to you. So first things first, you're going to get your paper and you're going to fold it horizontally. Make sure you get it really crisp down that line. So you open it up, you can see we've got a line here. Then we're going to fold it this way, back on itself. And then we should have a cross shape. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. Then you're going to hold it this way. This corner is going to fold down to this corner. So I make sure it's perfectly lined up. Don't worry if when you fold it the corners aren't perfect, because in the end you can't really tell, so don't worry. So we've got that, and then we're going to fold this corner to this corner. I'm going to just quickly fold, and then we're going to open it up. Okay, so we've got a line down, across, a crease here and a crease here. Okay, so this is the tricky bit. So you're going to have it on top where you can see these big triangles here, and these bits, because they've got lines in, we're going to fold these bits in. You might need to push with your nails or your fingers to push them in, and then you're going to grab this bit, the triangle at the front, and you're going to squish it with the triangle at the back like this, and you're going to do the exact same on this side. So you're going to push that in. So when I push these down, if I open it like this, you've got those triangles tucked in, those smaller ones. Okay, now you're going to have the arrow looking up at you, so you know. Then this bit is going to fold up, so the bottom edge is going to line up with the middle seam. I know it's a bit tricky to see, but you're going to fold it up like that, and you're going to push down this bit. So I'm just going to do the exact same on the other side, and then I'll show you. So push it, line it up in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect. Again, so you're going to have something like this, which looks kind of like a butterfly, but it looks a bit flat. So you've got these two flappy bits that you've just folded over. And if you turn it round to the back, if you pinch the top where this middle seam is, so if you hold the top, and you can see we've got this bit hanging out at the bottom. Now normally butterflies don't have that at the bottom, so we're going to pull this all the way up to the top. You might need a grown-up for help with this bit. So when we pull it all the way up to the top, it's looking like this on the other side. So you've got to hold it with your thumb, and then this bit you've got to fold over the top and then pinch really hard. Now it looks a bit messy at the moment, don't worry, you can always move it around. Then when you've pinched it, you're going to fold it and then let go, and then it makes a little butterfly shape. And you can make these out of normal paper, you can make them out of old letters. You'll have to ask your parents if you can use those, but it's just a fun activity for you guys to try and just see if you can make any big ones or small ones, and then bring them back to school and we can maybe decorate a big display. I hope you're all having a lovely Easter. Bye bye.